Guys, nakikita nyo ba yung nakikita ko? 3% gas cashback is extended until August 31, 2025. As of recording this video is July 30, 2025 and tomorrow is July 31, 2025. Mag-e-end na yung promo na 3% gas cashback. Ngayon, nag-update siya and now 3% cashback is extended until August 31, 2025. Kaya kung meron ka ng C-Bank at meron kang ipapagas na yung sasakyan, motor, magpagas ka na, sayang ang 3% cashback ni C-Bank. Malaking savings yan. At kung wala ka pang C-Bank, mag-open ka na. Mag-download ka na via App Store, Play Store, and don't forget to get my referral code March 26 to get a 75 pesos referral reward higher than the C-Bank referral reward kasi nga may partnership tayo kay C-Bank. But make sure to hold 1,000 pesos for 3 days only. And legit, papasok yung 75 pesos mo. I hope this video helps you. Follow for more.